mamaya kailangan pa mag-ano.
Okay.
Okay. Time check is 3 at nandito tayo sa Etihad Museum. So ayan, sa Astig, diba? So nandito tayo for our vlog. Museum tour naman tayo. Hello. Hi. We're on.
Ruler of Regina.
So mabuti din pala na pumunta tayo dito ngayon dahil pupunta tayo next week sa Palasyo. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
Start the museum this way. All sections will be around.
Okay.
After this section on the right side, we have our new temporary exhibition in collaboration with Zayed National Museum. You can visit also. There is a lot of new information for you. No, there upstairs is the tour to see Union House. But here is the main museum. And you can
Probably we just go there first, the Union House, then we'll come back here.
at what's the time now?
3 o'clock.
Yeah, in 5 minutes there will be a tour to see the Union House.
We will come back here.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
We are both librarians. I'm from Higher College of Technology in Abu Dhabi campus.
Okay, that's nice. So you can enter the library. It's free for the visitors as well, and you can find more than 3,000 books.
Okay.
Different language, and of course all linked to our topic,
I see.
to the history and unification.
Are you the curator here?
Sorry?
Are you the curator?
No. I'm one of the team guys. Yeah.
Ito lang yan. Yan yung buong family.
Napa-workshop pa na wala sa oras.
Naalis tayo.
Kaya nga baka mamaya mapatagal tayo nga pala. No?
Yan yung family. Yes, pala, Karen.
Lahat ng ano.
Yeah, camera. Yeah, new one for the blogging.
For vlogging,
Yeah.
so nice for vlogging.
Yeah.
On this land. And outside the historical area, the original place, and we have here 7 columns represent the 7 pens that the rulers used to sign the unity agreement. And the museum from outside looking like folded paper. This represent the unity agreement that they signed outside. So we go to see the unity. Do you know why it's not in Abu Dhabi? Do you have?
That's my question because
Yeah. Yes, that's right. Dubai is in the middle for the whole Emirates. That's why they signed the unity in between all Emirates, because at that time it was very hard for them to transport from area.
considering that the president is from Abu Dhabi,
Yes,
but during that time the transportation is really
yeah, also
hard.
for Sharjah,
Ajman, Fujairah.
All these Emirates are a little bit far. Also, Abu Dhabi is far from Dubai.
Correct.
But if they will move to Ras Al Khaimah or Sharjah, it will be further.
Correct.
So they choose Dubai. The place where the rulers signed the unity agreement in 1971, and also the same furniture from that time. Nothing has been changed. And
Are we able to enter?
it's okay until the red line.
Okay. Wow.
In the pictures, you will see the ruler sitting in this room. It's the same, everything's same. You will see the curtains closed. He used to come every day, and it's called guest palace because it's the main place where the people can meet the Sheikh Rashid. And from there, also inside, the same furniture and everything's the same, but between time to time we do some maintenance, but right now it's closed, so sorry for that. The small club is the same place where they raised the flag after signing the unity agreement in 1971. After 4 o'clock we have pop-up outside. This is coffee and you can enjoy the weather with the water show. So before the water show of the sea, it was behind the Union House, behind the flag. But after many years, almost 50 years, the water becoming less. So when the museum built from 2016, but because so this place is free. So whenever you want to visit the Union House and Guest Palace after the maintaining, it will be free of charge.
Okay.
And the architecture, they are very talented. They are Canadian company and the designers Japanese. Moriyama and Tsushima. And when you look closely, you see that these colors were holding the place in its place. And the whole museum actually is underground. And this is only the reception area. All it's built underground and around the foundations of the Union House. So
Can we go upstairs also?
yeah, it's up to you. It's a restaurant.
A restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's also
A coffee here.
outside. It will be nice. They're having pop-up, and the whole museum is down.
Yeah, we'll just go down there. Kumbaga kung hindi tayo magbabayad kasi hanggang dito lang tayo. Pero pag gusto natin malaman yung buong history, so, ayan. So magsimula na tayo.
The rulers.
Sure ako ba namin?
Sharjah. Ang galing.
Galing, may genealogy sila.
Kaya, tigapagmana ko talaga. Punta na natin.
Ayan sa Dubai.
Al-Qasim.
Ito naman sa Ajman. Ang wine.
Nuaini. Guys. To 7mm.
Ah, ito yung ano Ronnie, sa Abu Dhabi. Ito yung sa Abu Dhabi ni.
Ito?
Oo, yan yun. Yung ginagawa doon.
Yung sa binti.
Ako ng janitor. Diba? Hindi maisipin na ganito sila kayaman na yan. Ha? Ayan, kaya Ronnie, mapapansin mo minsan, merong lugar dito sa Dubai, ang tawag niya 2nd December Street. 2nd December Street. Kasi on December 2nd, 1971, the UAE formally came into being at Union House in Dubai. 2nd December Street, ang pangalan niya. Kasi bakit mo naging idol?
Wala, ang angas siya doon sa picture ko. Parang siya yung talagang nagtago. At siya naman talaga nagtaguyan ng
Ng UAE.
Di ba? Steve?
The next show in Dream Show. May mga show. Ano ba yung show? Okay. Sasarado na.
رغم كل التحديات وما تلاها من مجد وإنجازات، كتب التاريخ هنا في هذه البقعة التي تقف عليها الآن. الآلاف بل مئات الآلاف من أبناء الإمارات اتحدوا تحت راية علم واحد بفضل الجهود المباركة لسبعة قادة عظماء. في سنة 1968 أعلنت بريطانيا الإنسان والأوطان. متحف الاتحاد تحية وفاء من الأبناء إلى آبائهم المؤسسين، رسالة حب إلى القادة الذين مهدوا السبيل، ألبوم تقدير لإرادتهم التي قهرت المستحيل، ورؤيتهم التي أثمرت اتحاد الإمارات.
Yun lang pala. Kala ko ba 6 minutes? Grabe mga museum dito na. Sobrang
Galing, no?
ganda. Talagang napaka...
Pero nung pagmasok ka dyan, galing idol ko na kasi. Idol ko nang maang. Kasi may tawag dito, ang ganda nung nangyari sa kanila. Parang nagkasundo talaga sila naman.
Ito yung constitution niya eh. Wait. National Archives of UK. Reproduction of the provisional. Hindi yan yung original. We the rulers of the United Arab, we the lords of Emirates of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, the Queen of the Jar. Tapat mo lang. Maayos kasi sila eh, no? Ano yung picture mo ito yung mga passport nila dati? Ito yung latest na passport na. Ito naman yung hymn nila. Gusto ko pakinggan ito. So how the flag was created. Ayan, hindi ko mapapaya kanina. Ayun na nalit ko ng 4,000 there. Ang pera nila dati na eh. Dito, ano ba ito? Office ba ito? At yung react ka rin sa taas.
Isa ba? 1, 2, Etihad Museum Library. Museum na library pa. Ito. Pwede punta tayo rito.
Bukas ba? Ano? Sarado lang.
Pwede. Di ba?
Nakalabas doon.
Puntahan natin lahat ng bagay.
Yan, okay na. Kailangan.
Yeah. Dami na natin natutunan ngayon. Amazing. Sa restaurant. So, punta tayo sa restaurant. Kain muna tayo. Reception, yung ano, Union House. Okay. Pakita natin. Jollibee. Ay, ito na. Sayang hindi nagamit itong lugar. Siguro wala mo silang paglala. Walang ano. Rar. Kaya nga eh. Wala. Tara. Saan ang labas? Good afternoon, this is Ronix Moto Travel. So ayan, katatapos lang natin sa Etihad Museum. Ang dami natin natutunan about sa history ng buong UAE. So ayan, so thank you sa pagsama sa amin dito sa UAE. So ikot-ikot pa tayo. So thank you so much. This is Ronix Moto Travel. Peace out. Shout out. Asa?